Struggling to lose weight despite all your efforts? You're not alone. Many people find it challenging to shed those extra pounds while still enjoying their favorite foods. If you've tried various diets and exercise routines but feel deprived, you might be wondering if there's a better way. What if I told you there's a way to lose weight fast without feeling deprived? Stick around to discover how you can achieve your weight loss goals and still enjoy the foods you love. In this video, you'll learn effective fat-burning exercises you can do at home, delicious meals that promote weight loss without sacrificing flavor, simple lifestyle changes to boost your metabolism naturally. Plus, stay tuned for a real testimonial from someone who achieved amazing results. By the end, you'll have a clear plan to start your weight loss journey without the guilt. Let's kick things off with some quick fat-burning exercises that anyone can do at home. You don't need a gym for these. First up, high knees. This exercise elevates your heart rate and burns calories quickly. Aim to do it for 30 seconds. Take a short rest and repeat for 3 sets. Next, we have jumping jacks. They're simple yet effective for getting your heart rate up. Do 3 sets of 20 jumping jacks. This will not only help you burn calories, but also improve your cardiovascular health. Finally, let's add some strength training with bodyweight squats. Perform 3 sets of 15 squats. This exercise builds muscle, and muscle burns more calories at rest compared to fat, helping you lose weight even when you're not working out. Here are 3 meals that are both healthy and delicious, ensuring you won't feel deprived while still losing weight. Quinoa salad. Start with 1 cup of cooked quinoa. Add chopped cherry tomatoes, cucumber, bell peppers, and a splash of lemon juice for flavor. This meal is packed with protein and fiber, keeping you full for longer. Grilled chicken with veggies. Season a chicken breast with your favorite spices and grill it alongside seasonal vegetables like zucchini and bell peppers. This dish is not only nutritious, but also very filling smoothie. Blend a handful of spinach, 1 banana, half a cup of Greek yogurt, and a tablespoon of peanut butter for a protein-packed breakfast or snack. This smoothie is delicious and will keep you energized. These meals are quick to prepare and full of nutrients, helping you stay on track. Now that you have some great exercises and meals, let's dive into some lifestyle changes that can really help boost your metabolism. Stay hydrated. Drinking water is crucial for overall health and can boost your metabolism. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Consider starting your day with a glass of water to kickstart your metabolism. Get enough sleep. Quality sleep is vital. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate hunger, making you more likely to overeat. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night. Add more protein. Incorporating protein into every meal helps you feel fuller longer. It also takes more energy to digest protein, which means you burn more calories while processing it. Foods like eggs, chicken, beans, and legumes are excellent sources. Now let's hear from Sarah, who lost 10 pounds in just 3 weeks using these steps. I was amazed at how I could enjoy my meals and still see results. The exercises were simple and I didn't feel deprived at all. The key was making small changes that fit into my lifestyle. This could be you. Next, I'll reveal the one morning habit that might be sabotaging your weight loss efforts. You may not even realize it's holding you back, but it could make a significant difference in your progress. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Alright, here it is. The morning habit that could be preventing you from losing weight is skipping breakfast. Research shows that people who eat a balanced breakfast tend to have better weight management. It kickstarts your metabolism, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and keeps you energized throughout the day. Consider incorporating a high-protein breakfast, like a veggie omelet or a smoothie packed with protein, to keep you satisfied and curb cravings later on. Breakfast isn't just a meal, it's an essential part of your weight loss strategy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your weight loss goals in the comments. For more tips, check out the videos on your screen now. Your journey starts today. By following these steps, you're on your way to quick, sustainable weight loss. Remember, consistency is key. enjoy your meals, stay active, and keep pushing toward your goals. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.